We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Good afternoon to all. Good afternoon to all. Today we have discussed regarding the concept of JFET, junction field effect transistor. In junction field effect transistor, uh, myself is Chaimin Changane first of all from BVP Engineering College. See this, what is the difference between JFET and BJT that I have discussed here. And what is the application of JFET? It can be used as an amplifier and logic switch. Now, based on the applied current, based on the applied current, input current, we will try to control the collector current. So it is known as current control device. So it is known as current controlled device. It is known as current control device. And now see this FET, it is known as voltage control device. Means what? Based on the applied voltage, based on the applied gate to source voltage, we will try to control the drain current. So it is known as voltage control device. So it is known as field effect transistor. Now, based on the applied voltage VGS, we will try to control the drain current. So it is known as uh, it is the concept of FET, field effect transistor. Now, bipolar junction transistor, current is flow due to majority charge carrier as well as minority charge carrier. But in JFET, current is flow due to only majority charge carrier. Means what? Due to only electron or hole. In bipolar junction transistor, current is flow due to the electron plus hole. Now, Thermal runaway is possible in BJT. Why? Because current flow due to the minority charge carrier, but in JFET, current is flow due to the majority charge carrier. That's why. That's why thermal runaway is not possible. Input resistance is also very high due to ohmic contact between drain source and gate. I will explain this in the construction of JFET. So it is the very high input impedance compared to BJT and low output resistance compared to BJT. So it is the difference between the BJT and JFET. Now see, classified the FET, classified the field effect transistor, N channel JFET, P channel JFET, enhancement MOSFET, depletion MOSFET. See this is the classification. I will explain all the concept in detail. Don't worry regarding that. Now, next introduction. Advantage of FET over the BJT. Advantage the FET over the BJT means what? High input impedance, low output impedance. BJT is bipolar device. Current is conduct due to electron, both Hall and electron, as well as FET is unipolar device. Now, disadvantage of JFET. Disadvantage of FET. Gain bandwidth product in JFET, it is very small compared to BJT. Gain bandwidth product. Gain means what? Output divided by input, and bandwidth means what? Higher cutoff frequency minus lower cutoff frequency. It is very small in JFET. Now, next point. Uh, Junction field effect transistor. There are the two types of JFET: N channel JFET and P channel JFET. Drain means what? It is similar to collector in BJT. Gate means what? It is similar to base in BJT. Source means what? Similar to emitter in BJT. So it is the basically three terminal: drain, gate, and source. Now I have explained the symbol. This is the symbol regarding the N channel JFET and P channel JFET. See this, in N channel JFET, arrow is inside. In P channel JFET, arrow is outside. What is the meaning of arrow? See, what is the meaning of this arrow? This is indicate direction of current. This is indicate direction of current. That's why in N channel JFET, see this, here it is N basically. What is the meaning of N channel JFET? What is the meaning of N channel JFET? Here N, here also add. So between two N channel, here it is known as P. Here it is known as P. So current is flow between P to N. That's why current direction of current is inside here, and here direction of current is outside. Here current direction of current is outside. So it is the concept of N channel JFET and P channel JFET. Now I have explained this with the help of valve of water. See this. This is the valve. It is used to control the current. It is the used to control the current. Basically, this figure is given in the Robert Boylston book, and based on that, we have discussed this point. Source means what? Able to transmit the water. Drain means what? It is used to collect the water. See this particular. It is one type of bath or any particular material at which water can be collected. ગુજરાતીમાં કહું તો સિમ્પલી સે ઇન ગુજરાતી લેંગ્વેજ, આ હશે એ પાણીનો ડોલ હશે, બકેટ હશે પાણીનું. આ હશે એ પાણીનો ટાંકો હશે, અને ગેટ હશે. ગેટ ઇઝ યુઝ ટુ કંટ્રોલ ધ કરંટ. ગેટ ઇઝ યુઝ ટુ કંટ્રોલ ધ કરંટ. તો સિમિલર વે અહીંયા ગેટનો ઉપયોગ શું છે? વોટ ઇઝ ધ ફંક્શન ઓફ ગેટ હિયર? ઇટ ઇન્ટ્રોડ્યુસ ધ gate is used to control the drain current, and drain current bracket ma water. So it is the function of gate. What is the function of drain? Drain means what? It is used to collect the water from source. So it is the fundamental concept, and based on that, we have discussed the concept of N-channel JFET. Major structure of N-type material or N-type channel between the two PN junctions. See this. Between the two PN junctions. See this. This is the first PN junction. This is the another PN junction. Here N terminal. Here also N terminal. See this in depth way. It is known as N terminal. It is known as N. It is known as N. So one depletion region can be created here. This is known as first depletion region. This is known as second depletion region. Based on the first and second depression region, we have differentiated or we have explained the characteristics of JFET. Now see, based on the applied voltage, based on the VGS, see this my cursor, based on the VGS, we will try to control the drain current. So it is known as voltage control device. Application of negative voltage to the gate of JFET, we would like to control the drain current. So it is known as voltage control device. Now see N-channel JFET characteristics. See here VGS. See my position of cursor. VGS can be connected with short circuit. So N-channel JFET, VGS equal to 0 volt, and if we can increase the VDD, then starting the small value of VDD, or if you can increase the VDD, and VGS equal to 0 volt. VGS equal to 0 volt means volt. P terminal has 0 volt and N terminal whatever present here it is known as also 0 volt. But here see this, here due to positive voltage, here reverse bias voltage is increased. For N channel JFET, N type channel between embedded of P type material to form the 2 PN junction. To form the 2 PN junction, gate is P type material while source and drain is N type material. Gate is P-type material, while source and drain is N-type material. If VGS equal to 0 volt, VGS equal to 0 volt, then two depletion region formed. See this, VGS equal to 0. See this my position of cursor. VGS equal to 0 volt. Then this is first PN junction. This is another PN junction. Two PN junction can be developed. Read my words very carefully. If VGS equal to 0 volt, then two depletion region formed. If VGS equal to 0, then PN junction become forward bias with small value of VDD, very small value. If we can apply the very small value, then here we can get first PN junction in terms of forward bias voltage. Now VGS equal to 0 means what? At P type of material, voltage across is 0 volt. Obviously here 0 volt is present. Now if we can increase the VDD, if you can increase this VDD, this is known as VDD, drain to source voltage. If you can increase the drain to source voltage, then source become more positive. See this here. If you can increase the value of VDD, then source become more positive. VDD is increased, so source become now more negative. In first case, if you can increase small VDD, at that time source become small negative, but here increase the VDD, then source become more negative and drain become more positive. See here, this is the polarity of battery. See this my position of cursor, plus point and minus point. Due to plus point, if you can increase the VDD, so obviously here voltage is increased. At drain terminal, voltage is increased. Drain terminal consists of which material? Already discussed in the previous case. It is known as N-type material. And remember that point, if N-type material contains the positive voltage at that time, upper depletion region can be considered as a reverse bias. VDD is increased, then source become more negative and drain become more positive. It is the obviously drain consists of positive charge, source consists of negative charge. See this position of battery. See this position of battery. If VGS equal to 0 volt and increase the VDD voltage to form 0 to 2 volts, so in figures, we'll see this figure. If VDD equal to 0 to 2 volt, then drain current can be raised significantly. Drain current can be raised significantly. It can be increased linearly. Value of this is increased linearly. So 0 to 3 volt drain current is increased. But after 3 volt, drain current equal to constant, because if VGS increase, see this, this is if this voltage is increased, then depletion region here is also increased. Why? Because N terminal become more positive. And if depletion region is increased, then this electron can consist of lower path. It cannot be traveled more number of electron. Means here, if here it is 100 volt, here it is 100 electron is present, then at starting point of VDD is VDD value is 0, VDD value is between 0 to 3. Here 0 to 3 voltage. See this current is increased. Current is linearly increased, but after 3 volt, say simply in Gujarati language, after 3 volt શું થશે? અહીંયા depletion region ની width વધશે. Depletion region અહીંયા N terminal more positive છે એટલે depletion region ની width વધશે. ક્યુ depletion region પહેલું કે બીજું? તો કે પહેલું. પહેલાની width વધશે અને બીજાની width ઘટશે એટલે ડ્રેઇન કરંટ ઓછા રિજિયનમાંથી પાસ થશે એટલે ડ્રેઇન કરંટ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ થઈ જશે. સી ધીસ કોન્સ્ટન્ટ કરંટ at VGS equal to 0 after VDD drain current which is equal to 3 volt. At drain current is constant at 3 volt. At after VDS drain current constant because VDS increased, then drain terminal N terminal more positive with respect to gate, so it is known as reverse bias. So ideally current equal to 0, but still not equal to 0, it is constant. See this, it is constant. Why? Because if drain become more positive, but remember that point, so drain become more positive, but source at that time source become more negative. Drain become more positive, So source become more negative. Here one mistake is present. So try to write here words. Try to introduce words here. I have introduced the text box. So you have to analyze the point. So try to understand this. Try to understand this. This is known as drain is more negative. Drain is more negative. Sorry, source is more negative. Again repeat. Ideally current is zero if VDD is increased. Why? Because width of depletion region is increased. Width depletion region ની increase થશે. આ સ્ટ્રક્ચર જોવો. width depletion region ની increase થશે. આ વધી જાય માની લ્યો. આ વધી જાય તો ડ્રેઇન કરંટ ને પાસ થવાની જગ્યા ન રહી. સોર્સ માંથી ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ડ્રેઇન તરફ જાય નહીં. એ ન જાય એટલે કરંટ ઝીરો થઈ જાય, પણ એવું થશે નહીં. Why drain current is not equal to zero? Because see here depletion region 1 is increased, but depletion region 2 is not increased. Why? Because if VDD is increased, then drain become more positive, but source become at that time negative. So see this very carefully, this figure. If P terminal consists 0 volt, N terminal consists minus 2 volt, then it is known as reverse bias case. It is not considered as a reverse bias case. It can be considered as a forward bias case. Remember that point. And remember that point, one of the most golden rule is that in forward bias, obviously base emitter resistance is very low, width of depletion region is very very low. That's why depletion region 1 become more reverse bias and depletion region 2 more forward bias. So some amount of current flow inside the circuit which is constant. So constant current flow in the JFET if VGS equal to 0 volts and VDS consists of high value. It is the concluding part, most important. See the position of cursor my. It is the golden statement regarding the JFET. Please try to highlight this word. Please try to highlight this word. This is the golden statement regarding the JFET. At constant current flow in JFET, if VGS equal to 0 volt, if VGS equal to 0 volt and VDS equal to high voltage, at that time constant current that can be flow in the entire circuit, constant current that can be flow in the entire circuit. So it is the concept of junction field effect transistor. It is the concept of junction field effect transistor. Try to highlight this circle. See this, I have write this circle here. So please see very carefully. It is the main point regarding the entire page. Constant current flow in the JFET if VGS equal to 0 volt and VDS equal to high voltage, not high voltage, very high voltage. See this entire diagram. See this entire diagram of JFET. VDS equal to 0 volt. Starting at VDS equal to 0 volt, and if you can increase the VDS, if you can increase the VDS, then drain current equal to constant. Drain current equal to constant. So it is the characteristics of N channel JFET. It is the characteristics of N-channel JFET. It is known as saturation region. For the purpose of amplifier, it would be operate in the saturation region. Why? Because in saturation region, current equal to constant. In saturation region, current equal to constant. That's why we would like to operate in the saturation region. Here it is known as ohmic region. Ohmic region means what? If VDS equal to 0 volt and starting the value of VDS, current can be increased linearly. So it can be act as a voltage variable resistance. So it can be act as a voltage variable resistance delta VDS upon delta ID. So it is known as VVR, voltage variable resistance. And ohmic region it can be act as a on switch, and in saturation region it can be act as an amplifier. Now, what is the meaning of characteristics? What is the meaning of characteristics? Meaning of characteristics is that we would like to obtain or we would like to control the value of drain current. We would like to control the value of drain current. ડ્રેઇન કરંટ તમારે કંટ્રોલ કરવો પડે. VGS equal to 0 હતું. If VGS equal to 0, then maximum current is flow, say in Gujarati language. But if you would like to control the drain current, At that time, we would operate VGS equal to negative voltage. Why negative voltage? Because if here we can apply negative voltage, so P terminal consists of negative voltage and N terminal consists of positive voltage, the width of depletion region is increased. Obviously, this P terminal can be connected here. So here also minus voltage is present. See the position of cursor of me. Also here minus voltage is present. અહીંયા પણ minus હશે, અહીંયા પણ minus હશે. આને depletion region 1 કયો તો આને depletion region obviously 2 કેવું પડે. So here constant minus 1 volt. And if you can increase the VDD, then at starting value drain current is flow. Why drain current flow? Because depletion region is not broad. So now if we want to maintain the or control the drain current, then increase the reverse bias voltage between the gate to source so that depletion region 1 and 2 become more reverse bias. So width of depletion region is increased. Try to understand this. Here negative voltage, here positive voltage. So depletion region is obviously increased here. But here also negative voltage and here also negative voltage. So here minus 1 volt, here minus 2 volt. So obviously minus 1 is much better compared to minus 2, higher compared to minus 2. So this become forward bias. So width of this is decreased, but it is not decreased compared to case 1. અને પહેલાના કેસ કરતા obviously width વધશે, પણ પેલા જેટલી વધશે નહીં. એટલે થોડો ઘણો ડ્રેઇન કરંટ ફ્લો થશે, પણ પેલા જેટલો ફ્લો થશે નહીં. હવે હું VGS equal to -4 કરું. If we can increase the VGS up to -4 volt, then maximum P terminal consists of negative voltage, and negative voltage here positive voltage due to presence of VDD. So depletion region overcome with each other. See this figure very carefully. See this figure very carefully. Depletion region overcome with each other. So electron cannot travel to source to drain. Electron source to drain સુધી જઈ નહીં શકે. The drain current equal to શું થઈ જશે? 0. So VGS equal to 0 volt. VGS equal to -1 volt, -2 volt, -4 volt. ત્યારે drain current શું થશે? 0. It is known as characteristics of JFET. And output resistance delta VDS upon delta ID. But in saturation region, it can be act as an amplifier. Now, equation of drain current, ID equal to IDSS 1 minus VGS upon VP all square, RD equal to delta VDS upon delta ID. It is the formula regarding the output resistance based on the voltage divided by current. And last formula, GM equal to GM0 bracket ma 1 minus VGS upon VP. This is formula that can be derived in this section. So derived in the next lecture. So it is the entire concept related to JFET. So please try to understand this very carefully. Similar, here for N-channel JFET we can take VGS equal to negative voltage. So obviously in P-channel JFET VGS equal to positive to control the drain current. See this very characteristics very carefully. VGS equal to consist of positive value to control the drain current. See this, the characteristics of P-channel JFET I have already explained. VGS equal to 0 maximum current flow, but here see this, here it is for N-channel JFET. See this, it is for P-channel JFET. VGS equal to 0 maximum, but if you want to control the current at that time, VGS equal to positive, obviously. In P-channel JFET, which process is possible? In P-channel JFET, which process is possible? Drain become P-terminal, source become P-terminal, but drain gate becomes N-terminal. So it is the construction of N-channel JFET. Obviously opposite compared to N-channel. In N-channel, VGS become negative, but in P-channel, VGS become positive to control the value of drain currents. And this, see this here, symbol is changed. Here positive voltage and here it is negative voltage. So it is considered as a P-channel JFET. Plus 0 volt, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. This is the characteristics of P-channel JFET. So it is the complete characteristics of P-channel JFET that I have discussed. In next lecture, we have concentrate on the biasing and amplifier topic of JFET and application of JFET, and also we have discussed the example in next lecture. So please see this my video very carefully. Thank you all.